I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. Away. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday.
Start off with Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. I'm using Light 41. We want to go for that porcelain look for our doll. I'm setting my foundation with translucent powder. For the brows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Taupe. Use an angled brush. Next, I'm using NYX Blush and Taupe to frame my face to add more to the doll-like. We do not want to contour. Take a beauty sponge and blend out those harsh edges to create more of a shadow effect. I'm also taking it down my neck to kind of simulate that my head is not attached to my neck like the doll is. Now we're contouring the nose. I hate contouring my nose, but I do not have a doll's nose, so I'm trying to recreate that by making mine appear shorter and slimmer. I'm taking the taupe color under my lip to create that shadow to simulate a fuller lip. I'm also taking it to the corners of my mouth and drawing it up to create a smile-like effect that dolls have. I'm now taking the same taupe color around my eyes, bringing the shadow up to the front of my eyebrow to create more of a doll-like eye shape. I'm now taking the shade underneath my eye in the crease to simulate having a larger eye than I actually do. I'm now taking my Naked 3 palette in the shade Limit to add some rosiness to my eyelid while also taking it underneath the eye and in the corner of the eye. I'm also taking the shade Nooner to deepen the crease. I'm also taking that below my eye to add some depth. I'm taking some cream blush to add some more pinkness around my eye. Using Jcat Rock and Glitz liquid liner to give myself a tight line and a slight wing to add to the doll eye effect. I'm taking Beauty in Sight eyeliner pencil in black below my eye, just a short distance. Then I'm blending it out with Dark Heart and even more with Nooner again. I'm now taking a small brush and using OFRA Pillow Talk to highlight my brow bone. I'm also taking it on the lid to brighten my eyes. Here I forgot to use blush first, so we're going in with NYX blush and Hamptons. Look for the apples of your cheeks by smiling and add blush. And when you think you have enough, add just a little bit more because we're going for a doll look. They have very rosy cheeks. Add it to the tip of your nose. Now going back in with OFRA Pillow Talk, we're highlighting the tip of our nose, the bridge, our cupid's bow, the chin, and of course the cheekbones. Now taking NYX Intense Butter Gloss and Chocolate Crepe along the center of the lip and blending it out softly to the edges. We also want to add it back to the center of the lip for that darkness because we're going for a faded look. And barely fading it on the top lip to the edge because dolls are notorious for having a very large bottom lip but a very thin top lip. We're then going in with Maybelline Shine Shot in 01 to add a very glossy, glassy effect. Now for the part that my boyfriend hates the most, curling your lashes. He says it looks like a tool to take your eye out. I'm then using my favorite mascara in Jcat Lengthening Mascara. And adding my favorite lashes, the Ardell Wispies in 122. I'm speeding this next part up. We're going to use the same eyeliner that we did before, Jcat Rock and Glitz Liquid, and you want to create a centerpiece of where the initial hit was. Draw sharp, thin lines coming from the piece, adding in curves and missing pieces. It's good to use a reference picture to go by. I went by the original makeup that I did. I'm then going in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk to highlight the edges of the missing pieces, just to add height and depth, just to add height. I'm now going in with the Ben Nye Cream Contour. I'm using the Rouge color and Carnation Pink on each knuckle on my hand and blending it out with a makeup sponge. On doll hands, they have very rosy knuckles for some reason, so we're going with the realism. I'm then taking a very small brush and using the contour color to line each finger right below the knuckle. I'm then using a different brush to blend the color down, creating a shadow effect, and blending it out with my finger or the makeup sponge again. And then going back in to add in the dark line again. Basically, we'll be doing this below the knuckle of each finger. Then drawing a small square rectangle shape on the knuckle and filling it in with an even smaller rectangle shape. Just keep blending and adding color where you see needed. Go for subtlety and just see what looks best. I'm then taking NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk again on a small brush and highlighting each little joint just by going around the piece and blending it out, adding in more color where I see fit. Now for the wrist, you'll draw a line on either side and basically draw the shape of a football connecting them. You then want to draw a small rectangle in the center for the joint. Blend that in and blend in the edges to create a shadow. Just play around with it until it looks about right to you. If you need more highlight, add in some of the jumbo pencil. And for final touches, I'm going around it to add a little line and blend it out, showing that there's an edge. And I'm taking that down onto the other joints. It's not necessary, it's just a little tiny thing to help add to the realism. And that's basically how you create this look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and comment anything you would like to see. I hope you tune back in next time. I will be trying to do a video once a week, and I hope you have a good day.